Anti-Hypbeast.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back today with episode 1 of Life Above the Hype. It's a new series I'm putting out. If you guys have been paying close attention to things that are trending on YouTube right now, it's like YouTube channels are making almost like sub-channels, sub-series for their channels. Richie Ruckus Kicks, as we know it, has ran its course, and this Richie Ruckus channel will now start breaking up into little sub-channel, sub-series, whatever you guys want to call it, different things. We'll do like maybe like 10 to 20 episode seasons, and this one is tentatively called Life Above the Hype. And the reason I went with this name is because I've noticed most of my videos that get crazy amount of views and bring in new subscribers are sneakers that everybody else, like the bigger YouTubers, aren't doing reviews on feet. They're not talking about them. Yes, I'm still going to buy Yeezys. Yes, I'm still going to buy Jordans. And I'm still going to do reviews and on feet looks of all that stuff, and, you know, limited drops and stuff like that. I noticed that my videos that bring in new people and, you know, are the most watched and keep the audience's attention and the audience retention is sneakers that everybody else isn't talking about. And a lot of it is Vapormax. You know, if you've been with the channel for a while, if you're new to the channel, Vapormax is my favorite silhouette out right now. And it's not just the Vapormax, like in its OG sense. I love Vapormax 97s. I love the Vapormax Plus. And in that vein, the very first sneaker pickup of this series is going to be a pair of Vapormax. It's 9:45. We're headed to my favorite sneaker boutique here in Philly, Lapstone and Hammer, and I'm going to grab a new pair of Nike Vapormax that just dropped today. And it was a tough call on my part, because not only did a new pair of Vapormax drop today, a pair of OG Air Max came out today, and I was torn on which one to go for. You know, I took the past 2 weeks off, past week and a half to 2 weeks off from vlogging, because I wanted the channel to go in a newer direction. I wanted to start, you know, these sub-series. I wanted to do my best to keep people coming back for more and keep people watching the channel. And you guys know I'm the furthest thing from a hype beast. If there's a pair of Reebok Classics sitting on a shelf, you know, there's a good chance your boy's going to grab them. If there's a general release Jordan sitting on the shelf, you know your boy's probably going to grab them. And I feel like them sneakers that fly under the radar or don't have, you know, the massive amount of hype surrounding them, you know, fall by the wayside. And there's kids out there who like them sneakers. There's people out there who want them sneakers. There's people out there that aren't getting reviews and insights on these sneakers because no one else is talking about it. So that's kind of what the series is going to be, you know, focused on. And that's going to be the focal point of the next upcoming vlogs that I do. But like I said, I'm still going to be grabbing Yeezys. I'm still going to be grabbing limited sneakers. I'm not going to change, you know, my personal preference or personal taste on a pair of sneakers, you know, just for the sake of, you know, the sub-series. But at the same time, you know, I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm not a big, you know, sneaker YouTuber. I don't get products seeded to me. Every pair of sneakers you guys have ever seen me do a review on, I bought with my hard-earned money. And, you know, I was trying to be a small fish in a big pond. I was trying to go out and grab, you know, every limited Jordan that came out, every limited Yeezy that came out, and I'm competing with guys that are just too big. It's David versus Goliath but Goliath always wins. And I just felt like I love doing this. I love coming in front of the camera. I love talking sneakers with you guys, and I didn't want to lose that passion and lose that love for what I'm doing. But at the same time, I just couldn't keep spending paycheck after paycheck after paycheck on crazy hyped up Jordans that I necessarily may not even wear, just to try to get the views and compete with these bigger YouTubers. So it's time to stay in my lane for right now and, you know, bring what I bring best to the table. So that being said, we're getting ready to pull up the Lapstone and Hammer. I'm going to grab a new pair of Vapormaxes that dropped today. I cannot believe how shitty this weather is. And we're going to do an unboxing on foot and review when we get back to the crib. I do got to jump in the shower. My beard is looking less than appetizing right now. So let's go do our thing. Let's run a Lapstone Hammer. Let's hopefully grab these Vapormax in my size if they did not sell out. And I'll see you guys back at the sneaker room. Alright guys, so we're back in the sneaker room. We're getting ready to do an unboxing review and on foot of the inaugural pair of sneakers of the Richie Ruckus series, Life Above Hype. These sneakers are a sneaker that I had to get my hands on. I seen they were dropping a Lapstone Hammer at 10 o'clock this morning, and the bag was secured. Shout out to Lapstone Hammer again. You know, being a big city like we are here in Philly, there's really only two sneaker boutiques. You got Lapstone and you got Ubik, and you know, Ubik also has one down in the DC area. But without further ado, let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got that gold Vapormax 97. We just did a review and on foot of the silver polo pair. Whoop! Of this. We just did that review on the silver polo pair. They just dropped the metallic gold, so you know your boy had to go get these. Really nothing different than the silver bowl pair. It's essentially the Air Max 97 in that gold colorway with the full-length Vapormax air cushion unit throughout the whole bottom of the sneaker. A couple questions that were asked in the comment section of the silver bullets. There were questions I wasn't able to answer during the review process of the sneaker because they weren't on foot yet, they weren't worn yet. So I'm going to answer some of them questions now. Most I already did answer in the comment section. But these essentially are true to size. I know some people feel that the toe box is a little bit tighter on this Vapormax 97 rendition of the sneaker opposed to the straight up Nike Air Max 97. But I felt they were fine. Traditionally, Nike, I go 8.5. Adidas, I do go down a half size to an 8. All my Vapormaxes that I own in my collection, whether it be, you know, Vapormax 1, Vapormax 2.0, Vapormax Plus, Vapormax 97, they always have been at 8.5. I never felt like I should have went up a half a size or down. I've always strictly been at 8.5. And with the Vapormax line, I've never varied from that. I never, you know, ventured away from an 8.5. It's always been my true to size with Nike, and it stays my true to size with the Vapormax 97s. I know people are complaining about the toe box, and ironically enough, I have a fat foot. You know, my foot's, you know, 8.5, so it's a short, fat foot. I have like a chode foot, and I haven't ran into any problems, and I just literally took these off. These are what I was wearing today. You guys actually see the on foot portion of me wearing these earlier when I was walking around in the rain. So, you know, they get their wear, and I've worn them a ton of times already, and I have no pain issue. I have no discomfort. I have no, you know, wishing I went up a half size. So I would definitely recommend going true to size with these. But these just pop. I really don't know which one I like better. What do you guys think? You think the gold or the silver bullet? I think I do like the silver bullet better. I like the silver bullet 97 better than the gold, and I know, you know, there's people who go both ways on that. But they did release the OG version of the Air Max 97 metallic gold today too. Like I told you guys this morning in, you know, the earlier part of the video, you know, I'm really limiting myself to what sneakers I buy. Buy sneakers to wear them. I mean, the YouTube video, you know, the YouTube channel just was like second, you know, it's secondary thought, you know, in my thought process, and I kind of let it, you know, go the other way. I kind of was like, yo, I need to grab these and do a video. Like, yo, I need to grab these, do a vlog. Yo, I need to grab these, do a review. And it was like, I was buying sneakers that I don't wear. I see the comments, I ramble too much. You guys want me to just get to the point. I do think Nike has done a great job thus far with the hybrid Vapormaxes. I don't want to see them go too crazy with it. There's still, you know, probably 5, 6, somewhere between 5 and 10 models in Nike that I eventually want to see if they can pull the Vapormax sole off with. But I've taken up enough of your time, so let's go do this on foot. And until next time, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
Holla!
Richie Ruckus Beats.